Welcome to Cidan machinery and our production facility here in Sweden. Today we have a very special presentation, a brand new development that will most likely bring the folding machine to a new top position of bending solutions. This is the new up and down folder from Cidan named the Pro C. Now this is in fact the rear side of the machine where you would normally work with the back gate system here. Let's move to the front. Now here the Pro C from the front side where you see the folding beam with the divided tooling, the upper beam and tool changer that holds two different toolings, a straight tool and a box tooling. This tool changer will actually change the tooling setup within 9 seconds. And note that the opening height remains the same, 250mm or 10 inches, even with the box tooling. Here you can see how the same folding beam is used to fold in both directions. Now the folding beam moving into the position to do the first down folding. Position to do an upfolding. Here you see the Pro C folding a 3-meter, 10-foot sheet in 4mm thickness, 9-gauge. Here you can see we have now put the 4mm sheet into the 1mm sheet, and as you can see the angle is exactly the same in both sheet thicknesses. With this new construction we have succeeded in reducing the weight of the folding beam by more than 50%, so we can now work in much faster speed even with smaller size gear motor. This means higher speed, less power consumption. In fact, Pro C is so fast it should normally only be operated from the rear side of the machine, just to prevent the operator from having a collision with the folding beam. In case you wish to make some smaller parts from the front side of the Pro C, you can of course also work with reduced speed, or it can be equipped with a laser light guard system that will prevent any collision. Now back to the rear side of the machine with our new AGS backgate system, where you can add or you can remove section to create the perfect shape for your parts. And if you combine our new AGS system with our divided tooling in upper and in lower beam, there is basically no longer any limitations of what can be gauged and what can be bent. Also, the new pop-up fingers has been changed, so they now have a height of 25mm, 1 inch. This means you can even gauge parts that have big radius. The Pro C has an automatic tool locking system. It also has internal storage in both side frames. And the Pro C has an updated library tooling system. This is how easy it is to change tooling, both upper and lower beam. This was a short presentation of a folding machine with outstanding performance. The Pro C from Cidan Machinery. Sheet metal machinery for life.